November 14th and we are headed to Las Vegas. Right now we are just waiting in the Augusta airport, waiting for our flight to board, and we're going to take you along with us, so let's go. Hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We're on the plane and we're going from Augusta to Atlanta.
Yay. There's Mimi.
Hey, Mimi.
Mimi.
Linda.
Linda.
Hey.
So listen, Linda. So we're just, waiting to take off.
Your follow-up flight once you reach Atlanta. I do apologize for the delay. I'm going to go ahead and turn the seatbelt sign off if you'd like.
Mom, why are we still on the runway? We're not even on the runway. Why are we still at the gate?
Because they said that the air traffic control had a fire alarm and they had to evacuate the tower in Atlanta. There's also a plane tire blew on the runway.
And the plane is still on the runway. So that whole runway is not usable right now. And so our plane's been delayed, like our flight's been delayed by an hour. So we are just going to chill along by the gate. Not even on the runway yet, so trying to make this into Boston. Yay. More time on the plane. Yay. So after a brief stop in the world's largest airport, the Hartsfield-Jackson Airport in Atlanta, Georgia, we are headed to Las Vegas. So we are ready for this 4.5 hour flight to a time zone that's 3 hours behind us.
We are doing a room tour at the Marriott Grand Chateau in Las Vegas, Nevada. So this is the entrance. You walk in and you have a full kitchen. Nice big stove, nice big microwave, full coffee maker, toaster, dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. And they even have dishes. And the other new thing in the kitchen is the pantry has all these things that you can actually come in here and cook. That's nice. But the best part of the kitchen is there's even a washer and dryer. Isn't it nice? And then you have a full table with 4 chairs. Hey Mimi. And you have a living room with a TV and a closet with drawers and all that. Full living room, and the couch folds out to a bed. Then we go to the master bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom villa. You have a nice big king-size bed, another closet, another set of drawers, another TV. And here's a view that we have of the carriage house in Vegas. And then finally, go to the bathroom. In the bathroom you have a shower and a deep tub. Nice deep tub. That's a very nice bathroom. And this is the Marriott Grand Chateau in Las Vegas.
breakfast at Yolos Mexican Grill. Mimi is still eating, so while we wait for her, because she takes her time, we were just going to recap what we did today a little bit. So of course we left Augusta, Georgia around like 7 a.m. this morning, 8 a.m. Yeah. So then we went to Augusta, Georgia. Our flight took off from Augusta at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. We landed in Las Vegas around like 1:30 Pacific Standard Time. And we went to the hotel, unpacked, got groceries, and this is the first time we're actually leaving the hotel. So again, forgive us for the noise. There is an NFL football game going on, but we really wanted some margaritas, and you could tell like they're gone. And they really good Caesar salad here. And you had taco salad. It was very good. But we're going to explore Hollywood a bit. And then we'll take you back to the hotel. You should have already seen a room tour of our hotel that we're staying at. Very nice. Yes, very nice. But once we get back to the room, we'll just tell you what's on our schedule for tomorrow, okay? Bye. Bye.
So, we are Hannah and Laurie from the future. We're very very tired last night. Our bodies had been awake since, I would say, 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time up until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so basically we were exhausted. We came back and we legit went to bed
At 8:30.
At 8:30. But we just wanted to just explain a little bit what we did yesterday. We kind of explained it a bit earlier, but yesterday was mostly a travel day, and just getting ourselves acquainted to the area.
And I also like to say the Gingers are back together.
Yeah.
Because the last series, I didn't have her with me.
Yeah. So I'm here. But what we did was, of course, we traveled from Augusta, Georgia to Las Vegas, Nevada. And we took a lift from the airport to our hotel, which is amazing. It's very comfortable. It feels like a little home, away from home. And we went to Planet Hollywood, had dinner at Yolos Mexican Grill, explored Planet Hollywood a bit, and we came back here and crashed. We also got groceries yesterday. That was another thing we did.
Yeah, and we used Instacart for the first time, and it was great. They shopped with Vaughn's Groceries here in Las Vegas, and it was the order was perfect, and the place that brought it, like we ordered it and received it in less than 2 hours. So being in a condo with a full kitchen, it's nice to have like breakfast items here. And we'll put a code down below for Instacart if you would like to try it out yourself.
And you get $10 off.
Yeah, you get $10 off for using the code.
So try it if you're traveling.
And also we did the room tour last night, but we're at we said we're at the Marriott Grand Chateau. It is so nice. It's just nice not to feel like you're in a hotel. I feel like we're in a little apartment.
Like a
with a full kitchen, which is nice.
Yeah. So we want to take you along with us during our Vegas journey. So hit that like button and hit subscribe, and tap that little bell to get notifications, because it's going to be a great time.
We have a lot of fun plans.
We do. So stay tuned. All right, and journey on. Bye.
And even if you're trying to